Platyhelminthes, flatworm. Question: what is the typical habitat of platyhelminthes? A. Platyhelminthes inhabit a variety of environments, including freshwater, marine habitats, and damp terrestrial areas. Question: how do platyhelminthes respire? A. They respire through diffusion across their thin body surface since they lack a specialized respiratory system. Question: can platyhelminthes regenerate body parts? A. Yes. Many platyhelminthes exhibit remarkable regenerative abilities, being capable of regrowing lost body segments. Question: describe the reproductive system of platyhelminthes. A. Platyhelminthes are hermaphroditic, possessing both male and female reproductive organs in the same individual. Question: what is unique about platyhelminthes' nervous system? A. Platyhelminthes have a simple ladder-like nervous system called a ganglionic nervous system. Question: how do flatworms obtain nutrients? A. They absorb nutrients through their body surface, facilitated by their flattened body shape. Question: name a common parasitic platyhelminth in humans. A. The tapeworm, Taenia solium, is a parasitic platyhelminth that infects the human intestine. Question: explain the life cycle of a typical fluke. A. Flukes often have complex life cycles involving multiple hosts, including snails as intermediate hosts. Question: what is the primary mode of locomotion for platyhelminthes? A. Platyhelminthes move using cilia or muscle contractions, gliding along surfaces. Question: how do planarians benefit from their eye spots? A. Eye spots in planarians help them detect light and shadows, aiding in their orientation and response to the environment. Question: what is the significance of flame cells in platyhelminthes? A. Flame cells are excretory structures that help regulate the osmotic balance in platyhelminthes. Question: can platyhelminthes reproduce both sexually and asexually? A. Yes. They can reproduce both sexually through cross-fertilization and asexually through fission or regeneration. Question: what role do proglottids play in tapeworm reproduction? A. Proglottids, containing reproductive organs, break off from the main body and pass out with feces, spreading the tapeworm's eggs. Question: explain the concept of cephalization in platyhelminthes. A. Cephalization refers to the concentration of sensory and nervous structures at the anterior end, forming a primitive head region. Question: how do blood flukes cause disease in humans? A. Blood flukes, schistosoma, cause schistosmiasis by penetrating the skin during contact with contaminated water. Question: discuss the significance of mimicry in some flatworm species. A. Mimicry in flatworms serves as a defense mechanism, helping them resemble unpalatable or venomous species. Question: which organ systems are absent in platyhelminthes? A. They lack a respiratory and circulatory system. Question: what is the role of tegument in parasitic flatworms? A. The tegument is the outer covering of parasitic flatworms, aiding in nutrient absorption and protecting against host immune responses. Question: how do flatworms avoid self-fertilization? A. Flatworms often have mechanisms to prevent self-fertilization, such as cross-fertilization with other individuals. Question: discuss the economic importance of planarians in research. A. Planarians are used in regenerative biology research due to their remarkable ability to regenerate entire organisms from fragments. Question: name a deadly disease caused by tapeworm infection. A. Cysticercosis is a serious disease caused by the larval stage of the pork tapeworm, Taenia solium. Question: explain the role of the scolex in tapeworm attachment. A. The scolex is a specialized structure at the anterior end of tapeworms, equipped with hooks and suckers for attachment to the host's intestine. Question: what is the function of the pharynx in flatworms? A. The pharynx acts as a muscular pump, helping to ingest food and facilitate digestion in flatworms. Question: how do planarians respond to unfavorable conditions? A. Planarians can undergo a process called cryptobiosis, shrinking and entering a dormant state to survive harsh conditions. Question: differentiate between a free-living and parasitic flatworm. A. Free-living flatworms exist independently in their environment, while parasitic flatworms depend on a host organism for survival. Question: discuss the evolutionary significance of flatworms. A. Flatworms represent an early branch in the evolution of animals, displaying simple body plans and primitive organ systems. Question: how do tapeworms acquire nutrients from the host? A. Tapeworms absorb nutrients directly through their body surface, relying on the host's digestive system. Question: what is the role of the excretory system in flatworms? A. The excretory system, including flame cells and protonephridia, helps maintain osmotic balance and eliminate waste in flatworms. Question: explain the concept of mimicry in flatworms. A. Some flatworms exhibit mimicry to resemble toxic or unpalatable organisms, deterring potential predators. Question: how do flatworms respond to changes in light intensity? A. Flatworms may exhibit phototaxis, moving towards or away from light sources, depending on the species. Question: what is the role of the parenchyma in flatworms? A. The parenchyma, a connective tissue layer, provides structural support and fills spaces between internal organs in flatworms. Question: explain the significance of the tegument in parasitic flatworms. A. The tegument not only protects parasitic flatworms from the host's immune system but also aids in nutrient absorption. Question: discuss the impact of flatworm infections on host organisms. A. Flatworm infections can lead to various health issues, affecting the digestive, circulatory, and nervous systems of host organisms. Question: how do flatworms respond to changes